Well, this will be a good fight. Magee, a very exciting fight, a big puncher.
Second sight, round one.
First round, Eamonn Magee in the white shorts. Peter Nightingale in the pink and blue stripes. Good right hook to start it from Magee. Nightingale actually boxed last Tuesday at the York Hall in Bethnal Green, London, and was outpointed by Paul Knights, who was a good prospect. Wasn't a bad performance. It's been stopped by one by Georgie Smith. But that's no disgrace, Dave. Georgie Smith, very good.
Georgie Smith's a great fighter, Nicky, and anytime we've commented on this and Georgie Smith's fights, like he's done a great job. He's done more than what's asked of him. Like, he is an up-and-coming fighter to look out for. So is Magee. Eamonn Magee is an up-and-coming fighter to look out for. Also, this guy's on his way up, and he's improving and getting better with every fight. This guy can punch. He's a good puncher with either hand, but favours his right hand, obviously, because he's a southpaw.
Well, he had 2 fights in America last month, and that's the place to learn. Did a 1-round knockout against Troy Townsend at the beginning of March, and then at the end of last month he just got outpointed by a very good Jamaican Teddy Reed. Oh, good shot there.
That was a good left hand and a good right hook there to the body. 2 beautiful punches. Well, he's learning. You can see now. You can see that Magee's learning the whole way through his career, because he was coming in, running in at the start of his career. That's only to be expected, but he was very, very, very amateurish. Now he's getting more like a pro. He's picking his punches, stepping back, throwing punches, and you can even see the lateral movement now that he's beginning to get into his style. It's a slow process, but he's definitely getting there.
Well, there's no doubt Magee on this form looks better than Paul Knights, because Nightingale gave Paul Knights a fair fight, losing on points last Tuesday. Magee well on top here. It's funny how some amateurs really adapt to the professional game very quickly. They adapt and change styles very quickly. Magee was a great amateur, world silver medalist in the junior games, but he seems to have adopted a very good professional style.
You have to adapt very quickly, Nicky, or else, as you know yourself, you don't make it as a pro. If you keep your old amateur traits, well then you'll fight that way and you'll not improve.
If we look at Paul Ireland earlier, though, in the first live fight tonight, we saw a very good amateur who hadn't really adapted to the professional game. Eamonn Magee looks like he has done.
I think we see it. This is we're having a good uppercut cut here from Magee. He's sort of holding on, hitting here, which that was easy for me to say there, by the way, folks. Sort of made a wee bit of a mess of that now, but sure, we're not all perfect. But anyway, what I wanted to say was he was holding and hitting. To cut a long story short.
Corners, 10 seconds. Seconds out, round 2.
Second round. Just to remind you, Magee in the white shorts, Nightingale in the blue and pink stripes.
Oh, nice for your right hand there, beautiful.
Well, apart from Noel, of course, Magee, Eamonn, that is, had another older brother who was a good champion. Terry Magee was the All-Ireland light middleweight champion. Oh, good shot again from Nightingale. That's twice Magee's been caught with that right hook.
Yes, just a wee bit lax. Just has to keep his eye on the guy. One thing you don't do, don't take your eye off him and don't get lax. Stay on top at all times. You stand back and let a guy dictate to you, and he starts to rule the wrist then, and he can do what he wants, and you have to fall into line. Whereas when you dictate the pace, you can do what you want. Nice left hand there also.
I notice there's a lot more southpaws in Ireland, Dave, than in Britain. I don't know why that is, but it seems to be a lot more leading with the right hand.
I know, that's because there's more right-handed people over here.
Well, left-handed actually, but they are.
See, that's your own man's the thing again. Yeah, I'm getting confused.
Comes in handy.
Doesn't it? Oh, nice uppercut. Nice combination, yeah.
Very classy punches.
The head shots didn't hit the target, but the right hook to the body. This is what Magee has to do. He has to keep pressurising this guy, because, as I have said, if you let this guy pressurise you, he can dictate everything that's going on. If you keep going forward, knock them out of their stride. Some good shots there. Knock them out of their stride. They don't know what to do. They start to panic.
Actually took those punches pretty well, and he's been beaten clearly during this round, but he's stood up to everything Magee has to offer. Trouble. Barney Wilson was called over to the corner of Peter Nightingale. I don't know if they're retiring their man. I think they are, yes. Barney Wilson has raised the arm of Eamonn Magee. Well, what do you think about Magee there? He was actually very accurate. Took a couple of hard punches, but was very aggressive and quite accurate with the hooks.
What happened at the end of that round there, as Nightingale was walking back to the corner, he looked very dejected. He started to make faces at the corner, or to make signs that he wasn't happy. He wanted to get out. Magee gets him on the ropes here. This is all where it started here. Magee started to have some real good success with right hands, good uppercuts, good body shots, good head shots. That was a lovely right hook into the body. They're beautiful. These body shots take their toll, and they're all very, very, very sore. They all hurt really badly. But he started to look very, very dejected, looking coming back to the corner at the end of that round. And I thought to myself, bang, this guy's looking for a trap door now.
Here's the MC, Harry McGavick.
Ladies and gentlemen, Nightingale retired at the end of round 2 with the cut eye, leaving the winner of the contest, the Terminator, Eamonn Magee. And ladies and gentlemen, your appreciation for young Nightingale, all the way from Wednesbury in Birmingham. That's it.